It's the Unfiltered here with another episode of the 90-day series. Memento Mori. Take a moment, enjoy, be grateful. And be happy you're still here, you're still... If you're not, work on it. To be mentally okay. That's it. At times like this and many times in the world, you don't need to be overjoyed by happiness, manage things even better than it's expected from you. If you're just okay and you can coast through these times, that's amazing. If it's not okay yet for you, but you are aware of it, it's great because you can work on it. And that's it. That's all you need to consider. So, for today, let's see. When times of actions come, you should have already been prepared for it, preferably. Because like that, if you've had prepared and you've had previous experiences with times of action, you know how you react, how your body, your mind reacts to your emotions, yeah? And you can use that in your favor. Because many times, in those times of actions, you might need to go fast, change 180 degrees, you need to be flexible, pliable, and everything. But generally, let's say you haven't, or it's something unusual happening this time, and you need to adapt and overcome faster, yeah? Emotions, high. They might be high, especially might be adrenaline, yeah. You need to learn how to control that a bit, because if adrenaline is not controlled and stopped, it can develop into stress a bit. Stress is a great response for an immediate moment of action, but not good on a long basis. So, I mean, and longer basis, I would even consider it more than a few hours. A day, 2 days, yeah. Mild stress, maybe it's manageable, but if adrenaline is too high, going into stress, a few days in a row, not ideal. I'm not even talking about longer periods, because that's... work on it. You have to work on it. So manage that. Learn how to manage your emotions. Yeah, if you can use the emotions, don't let them overwhelm you, and use them in your favor, because they will make you alert. Yeah, emotions, this kind of emotions, to act, they will make you alert. You don't really need to overcompensate with coffees or any neurological stimulants, narcotics, and other stuff like that. Yeah. So, as I said, you are alert, highly alert. You use all of that in your favor, and you become laser focused, because that's the idea. Yeah? You take out all the distractions, everything that I've been talking in the episodes until now, you put them at test, you put them at work in these moments. Very fast, you have to reconsider what's important in my daily activities. Let's say you have an event, an action in a few days. If it's action at the moment, yeah, it's straight into action. Yeah, there's not much to discuss about it. But I'm talking a few days. Manage your emotions, laser focused, exclude everything that's not important or effective in helping you reach those actions, and deliver your best. That's what I'm saying. You should always be prepared for these moments. mentally. Of course, when they come, you're not as prepared as you would think, because practice is different than imagination still, but one that has imagined practicing going into action is far ahead than the one that hasn't even thought about it at all, or maybe once and forgot it. Being prepared mentally puts you miles ahead. So work on that. Practice it with some small actions in the next days or something like that. And especially if one problem is that you might encounter, but let's say you kind of accept that part, because if it's a problem or an action in a certain domain in which you need certain type of skills that you do not have, it's very hard to acquire them in a short span of time. And no matter how much you stress about it, how much you invest in learning and going through that skill, might not deliver as fast as you need. So find a workaround. Either find someone that knows that skill and they help you, or find a workaround. It is what it is. Control yourself emotionally, mentally. Become laser focused and exclude almost anything that is not important or helping you at that time. Yeah. See you tomorrow.